Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to log in TCSP customer login on PC. TCSP is a Temenos Customer Support Portal. To log in to TCSP customer login, you need to first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.servicedesk.temenos.com. Then press on enter. With this, you'll be taken to official website of Temenos and you'll be directly taken to service desk section. Now here you can see sign in with your other account option on down. Here you can see you can either log into your employee account or you can log into your TCSP customer. Click on TCSP customer login option. With this, here you'll be taken to sign in page of Temenos customer account. Now here you need to first enter your username on the given box. Then you need to enter your correct password of your account on the given box. If you are having trouble signing into your account, click on Need Help option. After entering all your credentials, click on Sign In. With this, you will be logged into your Temenos customer account. This is how we can log in to TCSP customer login on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this.